Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so we can grow this channel. Also so you can get all my videos. Please leave me a comment down below if you have subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. Also, please give me that thumbs up, the like button, and share this video around YouTube and so we can get this channel moving and increase the views on it. Well, I have some great news for you today, everybody. CCIV and Lucid Motors have merged. We did get that 98th percentile that we needed for the merger to go through. So I'm really happy about this. And Lucid Motors will be now trading under its own entity, under its new company. And this is great news for the stock, great news for the company, and moving forward for this company. I am a proud owner of Lucid Motors stock, and I'm a long-term investor in Lucid Motors. And so I'm really excited and happy to see that the 98% went through. The merger did go through, as I mentioned. It will be trading on Monday at the NASDAQ as the ticker LCID. If you do have CCIV shares in stocks, on Monday they will be converting to LCID. So whenever you look at your portfolios, you will see your new stocks is LCID. This is great for the company, and I did want to share a tweet with you that was sent by Lucid Motors. And it does say that we're delighted to announce that Churchill Capital shares have voted overwhelmingly to approve the business combination with Lucid Motors. And Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid Motors, shared his thoughts on the approved merger. He does say that we are thrilled to complete our business combination with CCIV and become a public company. Lucid has further increased its momentum, and we are geared up to make the first customer deliveries of the Lucid Air lineup of electric sedans later this year. We're making significant investments in long-term and innovation of our company. We will continue to bear the world-class technology to positively impact mankind's transition to sustainable mobility. I want to thank Michael, which is Michael Klein of Churchill and Churchill Capital, and the Churchill team for their partnership and shared vision. Well, next let's look at how the CCIV stock, this is the last day I'm going to call it CCIV stock, did. And it did go up today a very nice 5.9% today. I did mention in my previous videos that after a merger, especially a SPAC merger, that there has historically been a downward trend or a fall in the stock. And we didn't see that today. We actually did see it go up 5.9%. We were trading at the beginning at $24. The lowest that we got today was $22.74. And we did bump up all the way up to $24.50. After hours, we did go down a little bit. Next week will be that big tail to see if there will be some sell-off of the CCIV stock. Because after the merger happens, you should see some stabilization within about 1 to 2 weeks. So next week still might be a little bit volatile. If you would like to have a position in CCIV, which will be trading on Monday as Lucid LCID, you might get definitely some chances in that $22 range. Maybe even go down to $21, but we'll definitely have to see if we do go in that red. But moving forward, I think this stock will be doing very well. I do predict that we will start seeing this stock increase in stock price after the deliveries start happening. So short term, this is a good catalyst and good news for the stock. And as I mentioned, historically, after mergers happen, there is a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of pullback. There are investors that do take some profits. So if you don't have a position in this, or you still need a dollar cost average down, I think you still have definitely an opportunity coming in the next week or possibly even 2 weeks. What I see in the future for this stock is that we will probably be trading sideways around the $25 mark, but we would be in the range around $22 to $26, I would suspect, until we start getting deliveries later this year. After these deliveries start happening, I think you will see a very nice growth in this stock. By the end of this year, I do see this stock being close to about $30 to $40. depending on if the deliveries go well, if the vehicle's wowing its customers and everybody's excited about this vehicle. It definitely will have those bumps in the road, but I think long-term wise, this stock will do very good. Looking at the share price and price predictions, according to Wallet Investor, today we closed at $24.25. One-year forecast is about that $43.38. 5-year forecast is $118.60. Personally, I do think that we will have a chance to hit close to the 1-year forecast actually by the end of this year if we do get all the 577 Lucid Air Dreams vehicles out to its customers, and if all the vehicles are in great condition, have the wonderful range that's expected over 500 miles. And I think this company will do very, very well in the future. Remember, this is a long-term play. If you do have a position in this, if you have bought it when it was at its highest point, back at its 52-week high of close to $64, I would recommend, if you can, dollar cost average down, so you can get some of the lower price. It'll lower your average price of the stock that you have purchased. However, if you do not have any money to put in there, or you're just wanting to just keep this for the long haul, even if you bought back at the highest points, it's going to be okay. If you don't need your money anytime in the short term, and if you can keep it in this stock for at least the next 2, especially the next 5 years, your stock will do very, very well. Now, Lucid Motors will be cash-free positive, or they'll have free cash flow predicted in the year 2025. So at this point in time, this company will be doing quite well. And I think this stock will be doing very, very well, as we'll definitely see. Well, in the future, I think that this stock will do very, very well. I am a long-term holder of the Lucid Motors stock, and today is a great day because the merger did go through. And if you own CCIV stock, now you're a proud owner of Lucid Motors stock. I am going to be keeping this stock very long-term. I am going to be keeping it at least until the year 2025, but I'm planning on holding it even much longer than that. In the year 2025, Lucid Motors has reported that they will be positive in their cash flow, and so they will start making profits in the year 2025. They will have a lot of growing pains, especially growing their company, and there has been some concern in the past, and I've covered it in some of my videos, about the stock share dilution. It looks like that this vote did go through, that the 501 shares will go to the 15 billion potential shares. These are always authorized shares. So if Lucid Motors ever needs to raise capital or to raise money in the future, they can always activate these shares to become outstanding. And they normally do this to grow the company, to grow revenue, for expanding its factories, paying for any kind of vehicle modifications. But this normally is, in the short term, a little bit painful for the investors. It is a good chance to dollar cost average down when the dips do happen. The dilution does happen. But in the long term, it is very, very healthy for the company, and it allows the company to grow. So if you're long term on the stock, such as I am, it shouldn't be a problem for the future of Lucid Motors. Well, thank you again for being on this journey with me on Lucid Motors. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up, the like button, to share this video with others. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would really like to welcome you to our community. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, please jot me down a comment that you've subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.